I generated a song, and then from that song, in a single click, I made a full music video where the music video follows the beat, rhythm, energy of the song, and it looks like this.
Your name on my tongue, like ice in my mouth. We move through the room, but I feel your pulse out, like water, black silk on my fingertips. I trace your last words, then I let them slip. Hold me in the break, right before it falls. I can feel the dark, counting up my bones.
What you just saw was a music video that I created using Freebeat AI. I literally created a song on Freebeat and then sent that song through, and it was able to create visuals that actually align with the rhythm and energy of the music. And it's extremely simple and easy to do. Let me show you. As always, I will have a link in the description below, but it is freebeat.ai. And when you're on this page and you sign in the top, you're going to see a menu that looks like this. There is a lot going on. So there is free tools. You can do video effects. We are going to start under apps, and under apps you can see there's a lot of different stuff. We're going to actually start with the music generator because we want to generate a song, and this is the song that you saw in the beginning. I'm going to put in a prompt here, so just a dreamy ambient and a chill dark aesthetic. You can see what I wrote, and then here we have options, so you have access to all the top models for text to audio. So we can pick Suno V5, and that's what I'm going to choose. And we can say, hey, we want it like instrumental, we want it whatever we want. I'm going to leave it this way, and I'm going to hit create. So now we are getting a song that is being made for us based off of our prompt, and it's just going to be a couple of seconds. And while we're waiting, if you notice, you can just check in and collect 200 credits. So click the link down below. You get credit just for signing in. And now we have our song that's made for us. We can click it, we can play it, and we can also download it. But what's really cool is we have this button here that says animate this song. So it's just as simple as clicking that. The song is going to be added to the agent, and you can see it's up here, and now we can describe what vibe we want, or we can just leave it blank and we're gonna have AI follow the music. So that's actually what we're gonna do. We're gonna let AI make all the decisions, and it's gonna do everything itself. So we hit continue, and you can see here we just basically have create music video, and it's gonna go through and it's gonna plan. It's going to plan the output of the song. It's going to analyze everything. It's going to come up with a style. It's going to come up with a creative brief. It's going to do everything all in one go, and it's going to follow the beat of the song. It's going to follow the music. And while we're waiting, I want to remind you to subscribe because I cover AI on a daily basis, so you can stay up to date with the latest and greatest that's happening. So just go hit the subscribe button. Now you can see it's studied the song. It's mapping the rhythm. So it's not just coming up with something random. It's actually based off the song itself, the rhythm, the highs, the lows. And you can see it has 2 emotional chapters, 4 visual moments, and it's working on our entire music video. You can see on the left everything that it's doing. So it's analyzing the music, it's making the style, it's doing everything that I was just talking about. On the right, we have result, and it's going to pop up here when it's done. We have the editor, which I will come back to when stuff starts getting added in, like the images and videos. But I want to show you the canvas because it's actually kind of cool. So you can see the plan, and it's going through all the planned steps that I was talking about before, and you can see it checks marks as it goes. So to be totally transparent and clear, I haven't done anything. All I did is upload the song and literally hit go, and you can see we're up to like part 6 now. And if we scroll down, you can actually see every single part of the plan as the agent makes the song come to life, where it matches everything, all the visuals and everything I was talking about prior. So you can see it's analyzing the input, and then if we keep going down, it analyzes the actual music. So you can see the energy arc and the segments. And then if we keep going down further, you can actually see the style framework. And again, it all flows with the music. That's the important part. So this isn't just making generic visuals based off the lyrics. It actually flows. And then you can actually see the creative brief. And now we're at the point where it's working on the reference images and the scene planning. And now you can actually see we have our scenes, we have the shot planning, we have the storyboard. It made video clips from the storyboard, then it merged it all together for a final video, which we can actually go to the editor and kind of see it all come together. And with no editing, nothing at all, you saw what the output looked like in the beginning of this video. You can add reference photos, you can add descriptions and all sorts of information to make the music video however you want it to look like. So if you've been following my channel for a while, and if you haven't, definitely do consider subscribing, but you'll know at the end of my videos, I have these little animations and I have used Freebeat AI to make those, and I have added my own character. And again, it follows the song extremely well. It follows the beat, the music, and then when you actually add your own reference people, that's when it even gets even better. So it's really cool how well the output actually is. So let's try another demo. There are a couple of things I want to point out to you. When you're on this screen, instead of going to apps and going to music generator, if you have your own song, you can go to Creative Agent and then hit the music video agent. When you are here, you can hit add music and you can actually upload your own song by clicking over here. I'm going to hit skip for a second. We're going to come back. And I want to point out that I was on the abstract music video. There's also a storytelling version, and again, it will follow the story of whatever you're trying to do. And we also have a singing version, so it's going to have like the person singing whatever you're trying to have it sing. So here is another example using the outro song that I use in my videos, but using the storytelling music video. And I'm going to go through the same exact process I just showed you by just simply adding the song. And once you upload the song, it does give you the option to choose how long you want it to be, or you can do the full entire song if you choose. Not adding any prompt, I'm going to let it figure it all out itself, and I'll show you the result.
Step into the world where AI thrives. Tools and prompts to light up your lives. Videos, news, and stories to share. Thousands are waiting in the hall right there. AI tools, AI news, AI prompts you can use. It's all for free, just come and see at FranklinAI.com, where you're meant to be.
And creating these videos is incredibly fun because it's so easy to do and the output is always good and usable. So you can see the song kind of has like that slow start, and then when it starts picking up, it feels more epic in the actual video. The audio matches with the video. It's really cool. I want to show you one other one. And this is something I did prior, but it starts off like really slow and you can see like the guy and when he gets getting his helmet on and everything like that. And then the song turns into this like really epic part and you can kind of see how the graphics change. There's now like sparks flying. It's more serious. It's really cool how well Freebeat works with audio. Freebeat is the fastest and easiest way to turn any song into a music video, and I think the results are incredible. It's a tool that I keep going back to, they keep updating and adding new features to, and it just gets better and better over time. I am a big fan of Freebeat, if you couldn't tell, and I really love how easy it is to like upload any song. So you can actually see here, they do accept SoundCloud, YouTube, Udio, Suno, any place that you have a music song of any sort, you can just quickly upload it, and now you can start vibing a whole entire music video. And like I showed you before, you can add your own character if you want. You can change the aspect ratio, the resolution, the style of the video. So you can see there are so many different styles. Or you can just say, hey, have fun with it and make the video for me. And you're always going to get that like good synced effect that I've been showing you throughout this video. Again, we have Agent, and then there's an entire toolbox of all sorts of different tools that exist that you can just go and play around with. I've been enjoying making music videos to send them off to like friends and family, mostly as like little jokes. I use them for the outro of my videos, so if you're subscribed to the channel, you know the outro is all from Freebeat, and just have a lot of fun doing it. What are you using Freebeat for? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe so you can stay up to date with the latest and greatest that's going around with AI. It's free. And like the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Enjoy my Freebeat outro.
Right there, AI tools, AI news, AI prompts you can use. It's all for free, just come and see at FranklinAI.com, where you're meant to be.